This is a quick demonstration of the latest Edge NT-Bot SDK. So over here, the prerequisite for it to work is you must have the app to be integrated with our Edge One SDK, right? So once the app is launched, the SDK will be triggered doing those like device environmental security check, user behavior analysis, and optionally, it's going to pop up the some capture challenge to double validate that actually I'm a human, not a bot. And then it's going to send all these insights into the Edge One Edge protection function, and then Edge protection function is going to analyze those insights. For example, based on the risk code over here, like 301 represents actually I'm using the emulator to access the application. So if I'm going to block there, I can just simply set a policy on Edge One, say that if I'm detecting that actually user is using a emulator to access the application, I'm going to block that on the Edge One on the edge. So after the traffic be filtered, the clean traffic will be forwarded to the server like this. Also, first of all, we're going to show you that how the application works. So I'm going to use a real device having the screen mirrored on my PC for the demonstration purpose. So it's going to send the message successfully to the server eventually. So I'm Michael using a real device to send the message. Oh, so hit the submit button. So you see, this is the latest message I received, right? Successfully done. However, if I'm going to use the emulators, basically built in from Android Studio. So similarly, I'm just keying some random strings over here. Hit the submit button. Will be rejected. Code 455. Right. So the reason I have that blocked is because on the edge one over here, I have the policy being set to block them and get them actually monitored. So you see that whatever status code that's showing 455, I'm going to have it centrally displayed over here. And from here, you will be able to see that actually the device category, device risk category is 301 and 501. And yeah, so basically this is just one way of doing that. For example, I by default popping out those capture challenge. And there's another version of the SDK. Actually, it can just do everything seamlessly. We just do the background check without popping out the capture. So basically that significantly improve the user experience. So over here, we're going to go to a different environment over here. That you see that I'm also using the Android Studio, but it's on a different laptop. Over here, I'm still going to launch the application. And over here, what I'm going to do is basically doing nothing, right? So everything is just scanned on the background. And then I'm going to receive the ticket for verification. And then, since I'm using the emulator, I'm, for example, sending text, hit the submit button. Then you see that failed to submit data 455, right? So basically, this is alternative way doing the background check of the device instead of popping up a capture challenge. Thank you very much.